Singapore and Brunei have reiterated their long-standing ties as Deputy Prime Minister Heng Keat attended Sultan Hassanal Bolkiah's 73rd birthday celebrations. In a Facebook post, Mr. Heng said he and the Sultan had a good sharing on how to continue cooperation in areas such as the economy and education.
He added that the Sultan is looking forward to attending Singapore's National Day Parade on the 9th of August. In addition, the Sultan conferred Brunei's highest award for foreign armed forces chiefs onto Singapore's Chief of Defence Force Lieutenant General Melvin Ong. Mr. Heng said this was a testament to the strong defence cooperation between the two countries.